Hey, beautiful.
Huh?
How are you?
Hey.
I'm good. How are you? I just wanted to let you know that you look very beautiful and elegant, and I would love to take you out.
Aw, thank you. I would love to.
Thank you.
Watch your. Achoo!
Ah! Ah! You give me the coronavirus. Ah!
Hey, wait. Get your ass here. Get your ass here.
Are you serious?
What?
What the fuck was that? What the hell? Dude, what the fuck did you eat?
It was eggs and a couple other stuff. Wow.
Come on, bro. That's why I don't like your Haitians, bro. Fucking nasty ass.
That's not nasty, dude. I had to let it out. So you're not gonna attack me? Really?
That is so disrespectful and racist.